Hi, in this video we are going to see about attributes in ER diagram. What is an ER diagram? An entity relationship diagram is a visual representation of different entities within a system and how they related to each other. It is a tool used to design and model relational database and shows the logical structure of the database. There are three basic elements in an AR diagram. That is entity, attribute and relationship. In this video we are going to see about attributes. Attributes are the properties of entities. Attributes are represented by means of ellipse. Every ellipse represents one attribute and it is directly connected to its entity. Attribute represents the columns in the table. Types of attributes. There are different types of attributes in DBMS. They are simple attribute, composite attribute, single value attribute, multi-valued attribute, key attribute and derived attributes. Simple attributes are those attributes that cannot be divided into more attributes. Simple attributes are widely used for storing information about the entity. In the given example, student roll number is a simple attribute. It cannot be divided into more sub-attributes. Other examples for simple attributes are age, Aadhaar number, etc. Composite attribute. An attribute that can be split into components is a composite attribute. In simple terms, composite attributes are composed of one or more simple attributes. In a given example, a name can be further split into first name, middle name and last name. Single value attribute. The attribute which takes up only a single value for each entity instance in a is a single value attribute. The given example, age, date of birth of the student is an example for single value attributes. Multi-valued attributes. An attribute which can have multiple values is known as multi-valued attributes. Multi-valued attributes have multiple values for a single instance of an entity. Here, the student has a attribute name phone number. One student can have multiple phone numbers. So, we can say that phone number can have multiple values. It is represented by double oval shape. Key attribute. The attribute which has unique value for every row in a table is known as a key attribute. The key attribute is a unique characteristics of the entity that can be used to identify the entity uniquely. Here we can identify every student with roll number because each student will have unique roll number. This indicates that roll number will be a key attribute for the student entity. Derived attributes. The attribute that can be derived from the other attribute and does not require to be already present in the database is called derived attributes. Derived attributes are not stored in the database directly. It is calculated by using the stored attributes in the database. Here, the student has multiple attributes including date of birth and age. It is observed that age can be calculated with the help of date of birth attribute. So, age is a derived attribute that is derived from the attribute name date of birth. It is represented by dotted oval. Hope you will understand the different types of attributes in DBMS. In the next video, we are going to see about a relationship in DBMS. Thank you.